Gimme 2 Minutes. My name is Aideen and today we are going to talk about critical thinking. Firstly, it's important to consider why critical thinking is important in a university context. The purpose of completing an assignment or a presentation, or even research in general at university level, is not to provide a summary of what professional researchers before you have thought. It is to use these sources to carry out informed, unbiased research and then formulate your own argument. Essentially, your lecturers don't want to hear what researchers before you thought, they want to hear what you think. And by critically thinking and using your resources in an academic way, you can achieve this. Today we are going to focus on the ways you can identify a cognitive bias in your research. Say, for example, you have to write an essay about the dangers of tobacco content in cigarettes, and you find a study that negates these claims. This study provides lots of complicated statistics that look credible to back up their point. But then you notice in the fine print that this study has been funded by a company which produces cigarettes. Now you have identified a clear bias. This is an extremely obvious example, but it demonstrates the importance of using your critical skills. While this might sound obvious, you'd be surprised how easy it is to be lulled into a false sense of security with academic journals. So to recap, critical thinking skills are an important part of your academic development. It's important to be selective in the research you use. However, don't be blindly led by your research. Form your own opinion. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more information and more videos.